In this video, I will show you how our renting locker works. We come to the screen, click rent, click cable. Then there is a timed. If we rent like 30 minutes, we need to pay €2. Take car.
Authorizing.
After the locker open, it will show there is a renting code, or we have an option to print a receipt. This renting code we will use to return the product. We can take out the cable. When we are returning the product, we just click return. And from here, we enter the order code. Enter. Then the door will be open. In the screen it will show please return the door, return the product in locker number. We put inside the cable, close it, close the door. So order complete. The money will be deducted from the car.